So, we know for a fact that our universe is expanding. And one day it will reach a point where all the stars will die. But what if the universe doesn't end there? What if it just resets? This may sound like a far-fetched idea, but it's actually one of the most popular theories among astronomers. It's called the Big Bounce. And according to this theory, our universe, with everything in it, will literally collapse one day and then explode again in a brand new Big Bang. Think of it like a ball bouncing on a spring. When the ball reaches its highest point, it's at a maximum height. Just like our universe at its biggest point. Then gravity takes over and pulls the ball back down. The ball then compresses and bounces back up again, starting the process all over again. In the same way, our universe will expand until it can't expand anymore. At this point, gravity would start to pull everything back together. All the stars and galaxies would literally be squished together, collapsing into one another. Our solar system would collapse into a tiny singularity, no bigger than a proton. All the matter in the universe would be squished together so tightly that time itself would stop. There would be no space or time. We'd be at a single point where the universe began, essentially resetting the entire universe. Then, according to the Big Bounce theory, this process would start all over again. The Big Bang would happen again, creating a new universe with new stars and galaxies and planets. And this would go on forever, an infinite number of times. So according to this theory, we are not just living in one universe, but an infinite chain of universes, each bouncing back into existence after the heat death of the previous one. But there is one problem with this theory. For the Big Bounce to happen, the universe would have to literally bounce back in on itself. And for that to happen, gravity would need to be stronger than the force that's causing the universe to expand. But we know that S is not true because the force that S causing the universe to expand is getting stronger, not weaker. So the Big Bounce would never happen. Or would it? Some astronomers believe that the Big Bang wasn't the beginning of the universe, but just the beginning of our universe. They believe that before our Big Bang, there was another Big Bang that started another universe. And before that, there was another Big Bang and another universe. And this goes on forever. In other words, our universe is just one of many infinities of universes. So the question is, are we really just one universe in an infinite chain of universes? What do you think?